Ever heard of Neon, the blazing fast blockchain built for DeFi? You know, the one promising to rival Ethereum with lightning fast speeds and incredibly low fees? But here's the burning question, what's it actually worth? Now, before we dive into the juicy price action, let's quickly recap. Neon is a Layer 2 scaling solution built on top of Solana. Think of it like a high-speed highway built on top of a regular road. Solana, the base layer, provides the foundation, while Neon zooms above, handling transactions with incredible speed and efficiency. This blazing speed is crucial for DeFi applications. Imagine swapping tokens instantly, lending and borrowing with zero delay, and executing complex trades in a blink of an eye. That's the promise of Neon, and it's got the crypto world buzzing. But what does this blazing potential translate to in terms of price? Well, let's be honest, the crypto market is notoriously volatile. Prices can swing wildly based on a tweet, a regulatory announcement, or even a global meme. So, where do we even begin? Check live prices. The most reliable way to get the real-time price of Neon is to check reputable cryptocurrency exchanges. Platforms like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken often list Neon if it's tradable. Track price charts. Pay close attention to price charts. Look for trends, support, and resistance levels. Are prices trending upwards? Are there signs of a breakout? Fundamental analysis. Dig deeper into the fundamentals. Is Neon gaining traction in the DeFi world? Are developers building exciting new applications on the network? Is the team behind Neon delivering on its roadmap? Community sentiment. Gauge community sentiment. Are investors bullish or bearish on Neon? What are the discussions like on social media and crypto forums? Several factors can significantly impact the price of Neon. Solana's performance. As Neon is built on Solana, its performance directly influences Neon's success. If Solana experiences network congestion or faces security issues, it could negatively impact Neon's adoption. Competition. The crypto space is fiercely competitive. Ethereum, with its vast ecosystem, remains a dominant force. Other Layer 2 solutions like Polygon and Arbitrum are also vying for market share. Regulatory landscape. Government regulations can have a profound impact on the crypto market. Clearer regulations can boost investor confidence, while overly restrictive measures can stifle innovation. Market trends. Overall market trends play a crucial role. If the broader crypto market is experiencing a bull run, Neon's price is likely to rise. Conversely, a bear market can significantly impact its value. Important disclaimer, I'm an AI, not a financial advisor. This information is for educational purposes only and should not be considered investment advice. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile assets, and you could lose money. Always do your own research and consult with a qualified financial professional before making any investment decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.